Setting up a piece of leather to start cutting a leather tray project. We're going to be using a drill bit and a drag knife on this project. A drag knife is actually off center, so we need to do something special with our X and Y 0 position setup. I'm setting the X and Y 0 position individually, so I have the knife turned. Now we turn it back the other direction and set the Y. This accounts for the offset, so that we don't have to set that in our design software. Then I'll just set the Z0 position, and the cool thing with this machine is it has the bit setter, so it's going to immediately take that over and measure the distance there. So then when we switch out for the 1/8 inch drill bit, it actually takes account all of that. So it'll go and measure that again and measure the difference between those two, so that way we can just begin cutting. I'll get the vacuum turned back on and we can start drilling out all of those spots for where the snaps are going to go to put this tray together. Because we have everything all set in the design, we can be sure that this is going to work out and all of these are going to go in the right location. Now we can switch out for the drag knife after we turn off the spindle, because we do not run the spindle while we are using the drag knife. So this is how we set up for leather projects with the drag knife. The setup is crucial to get right so that your project turns out exactly the way you want it. Ever had a bit drop right out of the collet and hit the bed? That's why I made these leather trays. In the shop, I keep one under the spindle when swapping bits. If a bit slips, it lands soft instead of damaging the bit or breaking it. The leather cushions the fall and keeps things from rolling away. In the same way, the trays work great at home, keeping anything from keys, wallet, watch, anything that you drop at the end of the day. Simple, useful, and honestly one of my favorite little projects. Hopefully you've enjoyed this project. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe right over here and click right over here for more great videos.